Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be walking you through how to transfer money from your Bright account directly to your linked bank account. Whether you're cashing out savings or just moving funds, it's quick and simple. Let's jump in. First, open the Bright app and log into your account using your credentials. And then from the main dashboard, you're going to tap on wallets or balances. You should see an option that's labeled withdraw or transfer to bank. Tap that option and now select the bank account that you want to send the money to. And if you haven't linked one yet, you're going to be prompted to add it first. So just follow the on-screen instructions to set that up. Next, enter the amount that you wish to transfer. Double check all of the details and then tap confirm transfer. You might be asked to verify your PIN or biometric authentication for security reasons, but once that's confirmed, Bright will process the transaction. Depending on your bank, funds typically arrive within 1 to 3 business days. You're going to get a notification once the transfer is successful, and you can always check the status in the transaction section of the app. And that's how easy it is to move your money from Bright to your bank. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright app tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.